down. You look ready. Are you ready? Yeah, I think it's time to go. The absolute dream right up in Van Allen. Oh, Jesus Christ. That was the absolute dream.
Yeah, I was racing right in the bike park.
You all right?
How's it going?
Good, how are you?
You want to go around?
If there's a good place.
Sure. I am up here.
Sweet.
I guess here.
Thanks, dude.
Hello. Coming out.
Thanks, dude.
Yeah.
Thank you. Have a good one. Jesus Christ. You all right? Okay. New climbing trail, Xylem. Let's see what this is about.
I don't know about that, man.
Do you have candy? Do you need candy?
I don't have.
We got.
Yeah.
Are you good?
Hey, man, how you doing?
Fantastic.
Good. Oh, look at you. Loteria. Do you know where you're going?
Yes, I do.
All right. Loteria.
Is this muzzle loader or is it?
No, muzzle loader's
okay.
that way. This is upper Kukui.
Okay, muzzle loader is what I'm looking for.
Oh yeah, you're gonna go that way. You got a little.
I knew it was.
Got a little bit of a climb. You're doing the fun way.
That's right.
All right. What up, man? How you doing?
How you guys doing?
Probably one guy coming.
Right on.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Here we are. Gonna do muzzle loader. Did this before, but this time's gonna be better. It's fine. Coming up this is a little bit soft, but
So if you go up that way,
yeah, not bad. You see my tires, like, you know, it's a little bit, but I heard this one is a little bit too, but I don't care. I'm doing it anyway.
How's it going, man?
How you guys doing?
are you going?
Yeah, I think it's time to
You're faster.
go.
Hit it.
Oh, I don't know about that. How you doing? Get you on the left here. Thanks, dude. The absolute dream.
Yeah. Ooh. What's it? I always forget about that little like rock double that has like the built-in rock landing to it. I'm always like, oh yeah.
So good.
Cool. Thank you. Okay, give me a high life.
Probably the best jump trail in the valley outside of a bike park.
Yeah. Nope. Yeah. Oh, for sure. Yeah. The A line of rifle.
You should. Oh my God.
Okay.
That's what they should have called it.
High life. Yeah? Yeah. Rewind? Yep.
Sweet.
We're on a time crunch now. Would you go?
Well, I'm going for some rewind.
How was it?
Oh, it was good. It was a little drier than
Kind of dangerous.
Let us send Tin Pan Alley. Oh God, that trail's so good. How you guys doing?
Yeah.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh my God. That was the absolute dream.
Yeah.
That's the first time I've ridden that. They ought to just call this place the Rifle Bike Park.
Sorry.
Oh, you're good? You good?
Have a nice ride.
Thanks.
Are you recording?
Yes, thanks. Whoa. Yes, of course, because I got to get that kind of stuff in the video.
Sorry about that.
Oh no, I just had a bad shift.
Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, nice to kick us out. You look ready. Are you ready? Alright. First, ticket number 094 0592. 0592. All right.
I want to get
0592.
You can pick.